When replacing the physiotherapy optical fiber, be sure to operate in a standard way. Pay special attention to the following matters. The laser burning or optical fiber damage caused by non-standard operation is not covered by the warranty. 1. Although the physiotherapy optical fiber is protected by a metal threaded tube, it should also be handled with care. It is forbidden to pull it hard, and never fold it in half. The diameter is more than 10 centimeters when winding. 2. When replacing the physiotherapy optical fiber, ensure that the surrounding environment is clean and operate in a dust-free environment as far as possible. Clean your hands and dry them, and quickly replace them. Do not pollute the laser and fiber ports with dust during this process. If there is any dust or stain on the optical fiber port, the optical fiber head must be wiped clean with professional optical fiber wiping paper or cleaning cloth. 3. Gently unscrew the optical fiber protective cap of the optical fiber port and the instrument optical fiber output port. Insert the optical fiber into the optical fiber output port of the instrument and be sure to tighten it. But do not use too much force. Do not touch the laser output port and optical fiber port during connection. 4. Before starting the machine, make sure that the optical fiber and the host are correctly connected. Do not output laser when the optical fiber cap on the host is not unscrewed.